Dan Ramey, Southern Ohio Survivors, and we want to say thank you to the folks at Chillicothe Correctional Institute. We have Warden Norman Robinson with us, and together with your group through the reintegration program and also the JCs and also Southern Ohio Survivors, put on a wellness event today. Talk about this cancer wellness event.
Well, we had a cancer walk with our staff that put all this together. You know, Deanna Garrett, Todd Helmick were two of the chief main folks that put this together. We know the importance of having good cancer awareness in this facility. And we have a lot of inmates here that were impacted by cancer or they have had family members impacted. So when Lynn Bunstein and the SOS group came to us and approached us about this walk, we were really actually honored to do it. And today was very successful. I just got word that we had at least 250 inmates participate. We had numerous amounts of staff participate. And we also had inmates put in time for crafts and arts, and it really brought a good light to our facility. But I think the main thing about it is that we were able to help people and help fight this disease of cancer.
That's something I wanted to touch on because your guys are on the inside, but they're making an impact on the outside. How does that help them?
Well, at our facility, we have a lot of volunteers that come in and help them. We have a Kairos weekend going on right now where we have maybe 40 volunteers dedicating their time from all over the state coming in now. This is their way of giving back. This is their way of saying, hey, yeah, we committed a crime, but we want to be able to show that we're good people here on the inside. We have a very generous inmate population that has given to the community. We just had a situation here where someone in the community needed something right away, and we did it right away. And I mean, it was something that they needed 2 days, and we got it to them within a day. So they are very generous. And plus, we have a lot of guys that are going to be returning to the community here, and they can feel the impact once they're released.
The fellows display a great deal of talent, and in fact, they made these necklaces for us. They made some signs as well, and some other photos that you'll be able to see on our website at southernohiosurvivors.org. But if you don't mind, I'll bring a prop in here as well. This was a gift item to us, a little bear made out of towel, and some of the stuffing and everything there as well. And see, it says SOS right on the front there. And this is something that the JCs put together for us, and this just a small token of the talents that you have here.
Yes, we have a lot of guys that have a lot of talents, and they're willing to give back through community service, and this is one of them. And these are things that, and I want everybody to understand, these are things that staff don't make guys do. They do this on their own. They do it with their own time. Sometimes they purchase their own materials, but it's their way of showing that they care for the community that surrounds us.
We appreciate the partnership that we have. Southern Ohio Survivors and Chillicothe Correctional Institute. For Warden Robinson and Teddy, I'm Dan Ramey. Thanks for watching.